This is so good. Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Mfon, and in this channel we talk about all things healthy, what you eat and what you feed your kids. And today we'll be making nice cream. Have you heard of nice cream before? I mean, if you live in a place like Texas, like I do, it's always hot in the summer, extremely hot, and you need something to cool you down. So these 3 ice creams that we're about to make contain just 2 ingredients. I'm not kidding. Just 2 ingredients, and those ingredients might be sitting down in your refrigerator. Also, I'm going to share with you tips and tricks that you will use to achieve a very succulent, nice cream, and it will always make you to get the perfect result every time. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. I have my blender here. So the first ice cream we are going to make is strawberry ice cream. So one ingredient that you need for all these 3 ice cream is gonna be banana. So I'm gonna use 2 bananas for all these 3 ice cream. So I have already cut my bananas in half and put it in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna take 2, and if you don't have a Ninja blender like this, which is very strong, you can cut it in half. Like you can cut it, make it a little bit more easy for your blender to blend it at once. So these bananas are very ripe, and I put them in the refrigerator to keep it frozen. So that's 1.5. I'm gonna put 2 bananas in this recipe. And I'm gonna add 1 cup of frozen strawberries. And then I blend. And sometimes you just use your spatula to push the flyaways inside, making sure that everything is blended. And when you cut your banana, it's gonna be easy on your blender, and it makes it blend faster. So that will do. So I'm gonna take this out. So you use your spatula to get everything out, and you put it in your refrigerator for like 30 minutes to 1 hour so that it will not freeze up. And even if it freezes up, you can still allow it to defrost a little bit. And our strawberry ice cream is ready. That tasted amazing, and I can't wait for it to freeze up for me to enjoy, and my kids too. So the next ice cream we are going to make is chocolate ice cream, my favorite. Once again, 2 bananas. So I'm gonna cut in my bananas because that way it's easy for the blender. So that's half. I cut the bananas in half and put it in a Ziploc bag. So, and I will just take 4 of it, which make 2, and cut it into smaller sizes. These bananas are very ripe, and that's it. And you are going to need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Just like this. This is sure mouth watering. My mouth is just in a hurry. Look at that. So let's pop this in the refrigerator. I hope you are liking this video so far. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. So the next one is going to be mango ice cream, also my favorite, and my kids love it so much. So let's get into it. Once again, 2 bananas. Banana is a sweetener, and also mango is sweet too, so the two is a great combo. So I got this from Sprouts. Chopped mango. So I'm gonna get 1 full cup of mango. And sometimes I take it out so that it will not be too frozen for the blender. So this is it. These recipes, like I said, is just 2 ingredients, and if you feel that they are too like hard, you can add like almond milk or coconut milk, but this I'm okay with just 2 ingredients. So let's perfectly fine. Look at that. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer for like 30 minutes and we'll check back. All right, let's test the ice cream. I can't wait. Can you all see this goodness? Don't you like it? So I'm gonna decorate. This is optional. You can do this. You can add mint to your ice cream. We are done. Let's test the ice cream. So first I have mango ice cream. This is so good. I learned how to make this with 3 bananas, but after making it, my kids were like, oh, it tastes like banana. And I'm like, oh, I need to reduce the banana so that the taste of the mango will come out. So to make this ice cream, 2 bananas is enough, especially when they are very ripe. That's enough because the banana will overpower any fruit that you are using. So let's test the chocolate. Like I said, my favorite. I mean, This is so good. Next, we're going to test the strawberry. I recently did 40 days of raw fruits and vegetables, so all fruits are my favorite. So thank you so much for watching. And I just started membership. You're welcome to join. For those who are planning to lose weight, I used to be overweight. You can see that. So I've lost weight on my own, eating healthy, exercising. So if you want to get amazing recipes, cooking classes to help you lose weight, because losing weight is 80% what you eat and 20% exercise. So it is important you invest more on what to eat, how to make it, and most importantly, I encourage homemade foods. So if you're interested, join. I also did a video about how to make healthy vegetable, and in a very simple and easy way that you will not worried about how to make the food, because it's so simple. So if you're interested, watch this video, and please make this ice cream and come back and tell me how it turned out for you. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Now I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.